Hi, and welcome to another Miami VA Healthy Teaching Kitchen video. My name is Clister Cuadrado Omba. I am a registered dietitian at the Miami VA. Today, I'm here with Chef Pablo Hernandez. And what are we making today, Pablo?
Today I'll be showing you how to make a healthy version of an all-American favorite, hamburgers. Adding beans and whole grains makes this a hearty recipe. I promise you, you won't miss the meat.
For more information on this recipe and others, visit our Healthy Teaching Kitchen blog.